sir. Myself is Vicky. Actually, I am working with Backpacker in a Backpacker hostel. So I am local tour driver. I like to show my city to the foreigners. My mostly guests are foreigners, and we have a lot of guests come from south. So mostly they don't speak Hindi or local other language. So I like to explain them in English. So we
Yeah, your English is quite good, very good.
I never went to school, but I am learning English by myself.
Wow,
So
that's
I have
really
teachers in
nice.
all over world, like American English, German English, English. So
Actually, we found a guide, but we cannot afford a guide here because we search for guide. But you are very good.
yeah, I am working since 15 years with foreigners. So our mostly guests are backpackers. They have limited budget. They can't afford extra guide. They need someone who can explain them about sightseeing. So there are a couple of sightseeing in Amritsar. So I take ride with them, like whole day trip or half day trip. So I like to explain them, and my charge is sharing with everybody. Like minimum charges is 300 rupees for from here to border, and on the way there are some sightseeing. So guiding charges include in the ride also. So they don't need to pay for extra for the guiding. So that's my.
So what for whole Amritsar one day full? How much will you take? One day full?
For whole, actually in old Amritsar you don't need ride.
No, full day, full day. How
Full
much
day.
will it take?
So if you need any guide, you need to walk alone.
Okay.
Yeah, because old Amritsar is very narrow, congested street. So the best way to walking in the old, travel in old city is walking.
By walking.
Even walking is faster than transportation.
Okay.
Because there are some areas are non-traffic zone, so you can't go from the by
Okay.
transporting that way. So we do organize walking tour also. So that's almost 10 kilometers by walk. So we do cover all the best places of Amritsar, like the best food places, like more than 100 years old restaurant, Kesar Da Dhaba, the best lassi, the best kulcha.
Okay.
So we make them pregnant with food veg. Amritsar is capital of food.
Food, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
Punjabis are crazy about food.
Correct.
So we eat a lot of butter. So for vegan people, Amritsar is wrong city. It's very impossible to be vegan in. Vegetarian is okay, but for vegan people, Amritsar is wrong. We eat a lot of butter. We say butter makes life better. Yeah, it's true because
Wow.
Punjab is famous for farming,
Yes.
and for farming we need a lot of hard work, a lot
Correct.
of energy. So
Correct.
we eat heavy food.
Okay.
So Amritsar is famous for lassi, for kulcha, for a 100 years old restaurant Kesar Da Dhaba, and there are other couple of food places. Like they are making food from last more than 100 years. So if you want to try something, you should go on specific that place where they make only one dish,
Okay.
not all dish.
Not only
Like,
one
If you want to try kulcha, you should go only place where they make only kulcha.
kulcha. Okay.
Kulcha you will get in every restaurant, but they will be not specialist.
Okay.
If you want to try kulcha, you should go at the place where they make only kulcha because they will be specialist only in one dish. Like
Okay.
for example, Pahalwan kulcha, kulcha land.
Yeah, kulcha land. I've heard about it.
So yeah, there are many different kind of kulcha, whatever you want, you like it. And lassi, you can go at Gyan lassi or Ahuja lassi. So we do cover all the best place. This is more than 10 different places, and we do cover more than 15 different dishes.
Okay.
So that's why we need to walk a lot.
Oh,
because
walking, okay.
we take some food
Done.
and we do walk almost 1 kilometer and we take
Okay.
another food. So by walk you can digest that much
More. Okay, so one day, how much will you charge if you're taking by rickshaw?
So the minimum charge you can say for whole day trip,
Yes,
like
whole.
a walking tour.
Not
transport.
walking tour, by transport.
By transport also. Okay, so whole day trip you can say 4 to 5 people. If there are 4 to 5 people, then 500 rupees each.
Okay, each
Start,
person. Okay.
Each person, like 2,500
Okay.
for whole day trip from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Okay.
12 hours. If they take half day trip, like only for the border, then 1,200.
12.
Dividing number of people, like up to 4 people, it's same price.
Okay.
If there will be more than 4, then it will be little cheap.
Reduce. So you can say your number so that I can, when we are posting this over
Yeah.
there, people
so
can
my
contact
phone
you.
number is 987 66 28416.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you so much.